What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to our trading channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys the latest 2-in-1 boom and crash strategy that is going to allow you to do both spike catching and scalping. So you're going to manage to catch some spikes and also go against some spikes. This is because this strategy mainly focuses on identifying or pointing out your trend. So you basically be trend trading, which is one of the best ways to trade is to trade in line with the trends. So today we're going to look at how we can do that on boom and crash using some indicators. Of course, you will need background knowledge from price action and any other strategies that you need, because I practice what is called confluence trading, which means that we combine different set of strategies to come up with an accurate entry point. So you find out that I might use some price action principles like support and resistance. We might have some trend lines, we might have some channels, and we'll all use that in line with these indicators for us to come up with a solid entry point, with a solid trade to take. Okay, so this is what I want to teach you guys here on this platform. If you're new on this platform, we're currently under our 100-day trading challenge, whereby we are looking at the market each and every single day. I'm posting a strategy and a YouTube video right here on this platform each and every single day, and we're trying to improve the way we trade by looking at the markets each and every single day for the next 100 days. So if you want to be part of that, please comment in the comment section that you are interested, and I'll be able to add you to our WhatsApp group where we are sharing all these strategies. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like. As you can see, we've got a few indicators right there. We've got also a few price action indicators like these support and resistance zones. Let me just quickly remove all that so that we have a clean chart which we can use to make some analysis today and also see how this strategy actually works like. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, so as usual, what I'll do right now is I'll remove all the indicators that you see on my screen, and we are going to have a step-by-step process of installing this strategy. Okay, so going to my indicator section, I'm going to remove all the indicators that you see. As you can see, I've just deleted all the indicators. Now we're left with a blank chart, and we're currently on boom 500. So we're gonna look at how we can use this strategy to analyze and trade boom 500 from our 15-minute time frame. So make sure that you remember this time frame. We're going to be using the 15-minute time frame. Okay, we're going to be using this 15-minute time frame, and this strategy works on all boom and crash indices, be it boom 500, boom 300, boom 1000, or the opposite, crash 500, crash 300, or crash 1000. So you can try it out on all those indices. Okay, so the first indicator that we'll need is going to be a moving average on our main chart. So I'm going to go to main window, then look for moving average, and this moving average is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. We've got a period of 15, we've got a shift of 0, we've got a method of exponential, apply to close, and then we've got the style is blue. I chose the blue color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using so that you don't get confused as I start referring to these colors when using the strategy. So if I click done, I should have a blue moving average running across my charts, and as you can see, we now have it right there. Okay, the next indicator that we need is going to form part of our indicator window 1, and we're going to need the relative strength index, which is right here, and this RSI is going to have the following properties. We've got a period of 6, apply to close, and then these two levels are very important. We've got level 70 and level 30. You can also label these. I'll label this as a sell, and I'll label this as a buy. So if I click done, I'll go back to my properties for the relative strength index. We just need to change or clarify on the style. I chose that purple color. So if I click done, I'll have that purple color down there. I've got my two levels, the level 70, the label is right here, which says sell. I also have my level 30, and it says buy right there, which means that we are correctly installing this strategy. Okay, the next and final indicator that we will need is going to fall under our indicator window 1, and it is called the average true range. Okay, and it is going to have the following properties. We've got a period of 14, and we've got green as our color. Okay, that's all you need. So So if you click down, you should have a green line on your chart right there, just like that. And as you can see, we've successfully installed our strategy. And now what's left is basically understanding how the strategy works and how you can implement it on your day-to-day trading. But before we get into all that, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a video during these 100 days of trading, so that you don't miss any of our updates, you don't miss any of our promotions. And please make sure you click the like button if you enjoy this type of content, and comment down below if you want to be added to the 100 days challenge group, where we are trading and looking at the markets each and every single day together. It's completely free. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, comment that you're interested, and send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to find my WhatsApp number with the link in the description box below, and I'll be able to add your number. Okay, I'll be able to add your number. Just send me a screenshot showing that you have subscribed, liked, and you have commented, and I'll add you to the group for free. Like I said, the WhatsApp number will be in our Telegram channel, and the link is in the description box below. The Telegram channel, I post my trading results, I post anything related to trading, be it our signal services, be it our mentorship program or our account management program. So if you're interested in all that, please make sure you check out the Telegram channel. Again, it's completely free. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our channel. You can also check out our TikTok account if you're interested in that as well. If you want more strategies and more explanations, they are available for free on our TikTok. The link again will be in the description box below. But with that said, let's take a look at how you can trade with this strategy. I'm just going to start by explaining a sell setup, or how you enter into a sell trade, because that is what I was actually looking at recently. So there are a few conditions that have to be met when you're trading with this strategy. Remember, you also need to have an understanding of price action, like I said. But with just these indicators, you can make some analysis and some predictions on where the market is headed. Okay, so the first thing that I look at is my indicator window 1. I want to see where my green and purple line are at before I enter into the market, because I'm mostly concerned with the location of these lines. Okay, so whenever you see the green and purple line approaching our sell zone, you need to go to look at your main chart, and you're looking for a break of market structure. What is a break of market structure? When we have candlesticks above this blue line like this, we generally anticipate that we are in an uptrend, or we can conclude that we are in an uptrend. Okay, although that's not very accurate, but we can conclude that we are in an uptrend. So whenever we see candlesticks crossing or breaking at this blue line, we can already tell that there's something that is happening at this point. It's probably a peak, or a retracement, or we are setting a higher low or a lower high, something like that. Okay, so combined with the strategy, we can already see that we were in an uptrend. Candlesticks then broke our blue line, which represents that that uptrend is ending. When we see that we have these two candlesticks going below this blue line, this is a complete break of market structure. And combined with our indicators at the bottom right here, we are in a sell zone, which means the momentum for buyers is very now low and sellers are kicking in the market. So I can already anticipate that we are going into a sell. Okay, what I would then need of course is to understand if this sell is an actual trend or it's a retracement. Okay, if it's a retracement, it means we're in an uptrend, but the market is just doing a correction or a pullback. Remember, the market breathes in and out, which means you expect it to move in cycles. Okay, so this could have been a retracement to this point, but still the strategy can pick that up as quickly as possible and can actually benefit from a retracement. I know people that trade retracements all the time, but what you will need, again, like I said, you will need to have knowledge in your price action. You can already see that this level, price was most likely going to test it, because at this point it tested it and bounced. At this point we bounced. At this point again we sort of like bounced. So at this point we completely surpassed it, but again it was at take profit level, and at this point we bounced. So with your price action you'll be able to see these things so that they don't affect you. So right now I can already tell that we bounced at that point, but I would have easily picked up that sell trade and sold all the way down to that level. Remember, we're in a 15-minute time frame, which means those are a lot of pips. That movement is very big, and if you're checking out my results, you see that that would be a lot of money. I think that's already over $100 in profit by just catching that retracement. Okay, so same thing if you want to enter into a buy trade. You want to first see the location of this purple and green line. As you can see, we were in a buy zone, and of course you'd wait for break of market structure, which happened right here. As you can see, I actually entered into that trade. We actually entered into the trade, and we made some profits on that trade. But we can actually pick it up. Can you see that we picked it up as soon as we crossed this blue line? We knew we were going up. Okay, so that again is going to work. The same concept applies even if you're on crash 500. You just have to make sure that you are not trading consolidations, because if you are trading consolidations you'll be affected. Like this market, I don't really like it where we have these short movements, because with our indicators it will be very difficult to accurately pick it up. Remember, indicators will be lagging and all, but if you still follow the same concept, you will still get the same results. Right here we would have picked up a buy. It had so many confirmations. We had our green and purple line at the buy zone. We had our support right here at the bottom, which was being respected quite a number of times. So this buy trade was pretty much obvious. Maybe let's look at something else which is not obvious. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so already you can see that the purple and green line are meeting right at the bottom here, which means my mind already is on my main chart. I'm already thinking, when are we going up? Here we see a break of market structure, which means I would want to enter into a buy trade. And as you can see, the market then even went all the way up. So we could have picked this up quite early actually, although we had few retracements. This is just to kick you out of the market. If you don't know what you're doing, if you're not confident in your strategy, you'll probably exit and think, nah, it's not working. But it's just the market maker stopping you out and continuing in your direction. Can you see? So remember, you also have to have that background knowledge. That's why I always emphasize people to join my mentorship program first, so that they understand all these things before they start trading, right? It doesn't help you to just jump into a trade when you don't have full background information. That's why we have a mentorship program. If you want to sign up for it, it's very affordable considering what you get, rather than just risking all your profits, not knowing about these top hands, not knowing about these retracements, not knowing about price action and fact. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you click that like button and share this with your friends. Until next time.